So we're going to be describing an electronics project using the MDE 8051 trainer board, which has the 8051 chip, and we're going to do some temperature control, and we're going to run it to a PC. So here's the inventor, who is
Guilherme Schaefer.
How you doing? Okay, so I see some transistors here. Are those the temperature sensors?
Yeah, those are LM35s.
LM35, and it looks like they go to that rectangular chip, which must be...
That's the ADC 0809.
Okay. So the ADC puts out an 8-bit temperature, and so does it pull the 4 different temperature sensors?
Right now it's just pulling one.
Just
sensor.
one?
Just one sensor, yeah.
But you can do 4 by using the control lines.
Up to 8.
Do up to 8 using the control lines on the ADC. So then that specific signal, or the choice of signals, comes to the 8051 trainer board, and from there I see a serial cable which goes over to a USB port on your PC. Now describe what we're looking at here on the screen, and then we'll see how this works.
So each line right here is 20 centigrade degrees, and right now it's showing 22 or 71 Fahrenheit.
Maybe a little hard to see. At the bottom of the graph is a blue line, above it is a green line. The top of that green line represents the present temperature, and Mr. Schaefer's going to light it up here.
To see a change in the graph.
And I'll stay on the graph while he's putting the cigarette lighter on the LM35. And watch on the graph how the temperature immediately spikes. Now, what is this graph code written in?
That's Java. It's just plain Java. This is a bunch of dots.
So we have Java, a bunch of dots, so we must have a loop in here that's sensing the temperature over and over, and it's moving across the screen showing that you've turned the cigarette lighter off, so the temperature is falling. Okay, he's hit it again with the cigarette lighter, so it's heated up again. Notice we're up into the red zone on the temperature. So this will give us pretty much a constant monitoring of the temperature wherever this sensor is.
Yeah, it's about almost real time.
Okay.
Has a little delay in it.
Tell us a little more about the code and how you built this and what your ideas are about this. Give me some history.
Well, we started to just interface the ADC with the microcontroller, which it can be used just to sense voltage, which is what these guys are pulling. They're just throwing out some voltage, 10 millivolts per degree. So the idea behind is to send this 8-bit information when it's sampled to the microcontroller, and have the microcontroller translate that number into a visual output.
So we're sending what, 1 byte or 8 bits?
We're sending 1 byte at a time, which is a char byte, character byte.
Character?
And that character is translated back into a readable number. So if I pull out the serial monitor, you're just going to see a bunch of characters, just junk.
Well, I want to see you heat it up one more time. Let's see the graph one more time before we... Okay, so the cigarette lighter is on the LM35. There goes the temperature. It's spiking. Of course, the cigarette lighter is off now, so the temperature will gradually reduce back to the room
one thing I
ambient.
found out is that the LM35 can actually go a little bit over 100 degrees.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're trying to fry it with your cigarette lighter, huh?
Let me burn the guy here.
Uh-oh, gonna burn it. Okay, so he's giving it, notice he's pretty much peaked out the graph.
Went like 160 almost.
So the temperature, you can't see it on the left of the graph. Way over on the left is the actual temperature in centigrade and Fahrenheit. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the temperature right now. So here we are with a max temp, and we're letting it cool down. Anything else?
I think that's it, folks.
All right. Thank you very much for the demo.
Thank you.